Welcome to a video demonstration of the satellite navigation system in the new shape Ford Fiesta. So we're looking at the touchscreen system right now, and you can see there's a map just here. That will open up the satellite navigation system, which has now been done. You can then access various things from here. So your main menu, for example, so you can change your screen view to full map or motorway exits, so it will be divided up. Traffic list, so you can see what traffic is on your route. Navigation settings, so you can change map preferences, so you can have 3D, as you can see, lots of different things, incident icons on the map. So it depends how cluttered you would want the map to be, really. If we go back to the beginning again, you can zoom in and out of your map view from here. So you can go 5 miles out. You can put it on auto and it will change automatically depending on the speed that you're driving at. You can have it as north facing or 3D. And then destination is the important button on here. So that brings up the kind of main menu, as you can see. So you can, in the top left there, search addresses, postcodes. You can look at previous destinations. You can go to your home once you pre-program your home address in there. Work, as you can see. Favorites, so if there's places you go lots, you can save them into your favorites there. Or just beneath that, we've got the ability to find locations based on the type of location that you're after. So we can hit see all, for example, just there, and now you can see we've got food, fuel, travel. So if you wanted fuel, for example, you would hit that. It would use your current location when finding, let's say, a petrol station. It will search and it will show us the closest to furthest in that order. So if you knew you wanted to go to an SO for a specific reason, you would hit this box. And then you can either save or you can hit the start button and it will guide you there. For now, we're going to go back a page so I can show you how you input your own kind of address or postcode into this system. So you can enter a postcode, you can enter a town, or you can just start entering an address. So if we enter a postcode into here, it's just exactly the same as using a normal keyboard. You've got your space bar at the bottom there. And once you finish typing, you can hit that box, or you can just hit search down the bottom. And there you go, it's now found that on the address. If we want to then go there, we hit start.
Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
And as you can see, it will do the rest for us. We can zoom into the app ourselves, or we can put it on auto. So if we go in really close, you'll see just there it's showing us exactly where to go. And these dots here indicate points at which the satellite navigation will talk to you to give you an instruction of some sort. Obviously, you can turn off the volume for the satellite navigation should you wish to. Just there. So voice guidance is now turned off, so it won't interrupt your music or a phone call or anything like that. And you can very, very easily turn it back on from there as well. It's a really easy system to use, very smooth. All of the touchscreen buttons all work incredibly easily. You know, very, very simple. You don't have to be overly accurate. Your finger just seems to kind of know exactly where it wants to go. And let's see, it's really quick to take you back to the main menu. And you can, with the satellite navigation, have that small display there whilst you're viewing your radio and phone, and you'll still get instructions. Or we can move over to the central screen and use the controls on the steering wheel to access basic satellite navigation data on there as well. So you could have it on this screen and the central screen, or you could just have it on the screen in front of you here whilst having the radio or something else on that main screen. It's completely up to you.